I appear for the petitioner. But essentially, we had filed this petition by way of an intervention in a matter pending before the High Court. Now, what the clarification, what we wanted is, by the time your Lordship judgment had come, we had already conducted the exams. Having conducted exams, which was a composite for B.Ed and D.Ed. Now your Lordships have directed that you should consider only B.Ed candidates. Now, our problem is, instead of holding a re-examination and all that, this exam what we have conducted, Lord B.Ed will declare the results, will not appoint B.Ed candidates, obviously, because the judgment is there. Now,
may I just note, we have filed an intervention on behalf of B.Ed students, B.Ed candidates. Now that they have also filed a writ petition, which is coming up on Friday, saying that at least for these selections, which had already been done before the Supreme Court judgment came, selection for this year, where
I think this matter should go before a bench. Justice Aniruddha.
It's already covered, the order is there with reference to this state at page 271.
Then your Lordship may do one thing, I'll withdraw with liberty, because then I have to file a proper petition about that clarification. That has not come here. This is only against that order we came.
You want to withdraw it?
I withdraw with liberty, because I'll have to challenge that and ask for that clarification.
Either it's going to another
doesn't benefit the.
Otherwise, you go to the other bench. If you want to withdraw, withdraw there.
Yes, I'll withdraw.
simple withdrawal.
There, I think. Registry to appropriate orders from Honorable the.
No, I'll withdraw it. I'm saying I'm withdrawing it. Because there's no, they have come now.
If it is simple withdrawal,
Simple withdrawal. No liberty. Liberty was for their favor, so that I don't conduct a re-exam.
petitioner seeks.
They don't want
withdraw
fine.
the petition. Petition is disposed of as withdrawn. Yes, 33.
It's listed twice before Lordship, but notice formally as not